Hey Tigers, this is the video that you need to watch if you want to reassess the second grade on the Unit 2 Part 1 Common Assessment. It's the one that was for equations. Alright, so we're going to start with number 7, and the problems on this section were 7 through 12, which really only counted up to 11. Alright, number 7, Denton Fitness Center charges a $160 sign-up fee and $25 per month. Louisville Fitness Center charges a $40 sign-up fee and $65 per month. In how many months will the total cost of membership at Denton Fitness Center be equal to the total cost of membership at Louisville Fitness Center? Remember, these are the ones that we talked about needing the T-chart for. So we have the Denton Fitness Center and the Louisville Fitness Center. Okay, so Denton Fitness Center charges a $160 sign-up fee. Okay, $160, and means to add $25 per month. Remember, that per means we're going to multiply. So 25 every month. Okay, so that's where my variable goes. Louisville charges a $40 sign-up fee and $65 per month. Remember, that per means we're going to multiply, so 65M. They already told us that. You looked ahead, you saw that your variable was M. You could have used X, it was okay. In how many months will the total cost of membership be equal? So we were looking for an equal. Okay, so now I'm going to go through and see if I can find an answer choice. This one looks really close, except that they're saying I'm paying $160 per month. Okay, and then a $25 sign-up fee is what that says. This one shows these two things added together every month. I'm not paying $185 per month or $105 per month. These are one-time fees. I don't get to just pay $25 per month and $65 per month. I have to pay this initial fee first, so that has to be included. So my best choice is D. All right, question number 8. At a park, it costs $9.25 an hour to rent a bicycle. It costs $5.75 an hour to rent a scooter. Aaron has a coupon for $7 off the total rental of the bicycle. He wants to know after how many hours it will cost more to rent the bicycle than the scooter. Which inequality represents this situation? All right, so we've got another one of our T-charts. So it looks like we are talking about a bicycle and a scooter. All right, so it costs $9.25 an hour. Remember, that's per hour. So that means that's our variable. And it costs $5.75 an hour to rent a scooter. So $5.75 an hour. Remember, that's per hour. That's our multiply. Aaron has a coupon for $7 off the total rental of the bike. Okay, so remember, coupon means we subtract, and it was for the bike. So I can minus $7. He wants to know after how many hours it will cost more to rent the bicycle than the scooter. So he wants the bicycle to be greater than the scooter. Okay. All right, so I'm going to go through and look. A looked really close, but they use less than. You could also eliminate D just based on the fact of the less than. So that left me with two choices. So am I taking the 7 away from the cost of the scooter or the cost of the bicycle? And we know that it was C, the cost of the bicycle. All right, and then question number 9 was an equation, and they gave it to you right here, even though they said the word equal. We know that's what it should look like. So I'm going to come down here to solve it. So I have 6x plus 2 equals 4x plus 10. They gave it to you written and as a visual. Okay, so we are going to start by getting our x's on the same side, and we always pick our smallest x, so 4 is smallest. I have to subtract 4 to make that go away. So I end up with 2x plus 2 is equal to, this is going to zero out, and I'm left with 10. Now it's a regular two-step equation like you've had since 7th grade. So we want to isolate the variable or get the x by itself, so we'd work PEMDAS backwards. So here's our plus 2, so that means we do minus 2, because that's how we're going to get that to go away. So I'm left with 2x is equal to 8. We're going to divide both sides by 2. I'm running out of room. So we get x is equal to 4. So when you were bubbling that in, it should have been on this side of the decimal. Okay, your whole number always goes to the left of the decimal. All right, so the correct answer was 4. Okay, our next question was number 10. They gave you the equation right here, then they modeled it for you, and then they asked you to find the value of x. So it's just like number 9. So 6x minus 9 equals 4x plus 3. Draw your line. Remember that you want to get your x's on the same side. This one is set up almost exactly the same. So we are going to subtract 4x from both sides. We're left with 2x minus 9 equals, this zeroes out, so we're left with 3. This says minus. Remember, we do the opposite, so we're going to add 9 to each side. We're left with 2x equals 12. Divide both sides by 2. X is equal to 6. 12 divided by 2 is 6. So our correct answer was A. Okay, and the final question that we're going to talk about is number 11. I'm going to be honest with you, number 12, I grade extremely gently due to the fact that very rarely will you ever be asked to write your own word problem. So I really don't count number 12 against anybody who makes an attempt on it, okay? So number 11 is the last question that counted. It says, consider the equation x over 30 equals 195 minus x over 20. Which of the following descriptions matches the given equation? Okay, one of the things you have to think about is what this says is x divided by 30. Okay, so it says x divided by 30. So the first one says divide a number by 30. Okay, that looks reasonable. I'm going to put a little dot. Multiply a number by 30. No, that's not what that says. Divide a number by 30. Yep, that's a possibility. Multiply a number by 30. No. So now I only need to look at A and C. The result is the same as dividing the number by 20 and subtracting the quotient from 195. Well, did we divide and then subtract, or did we subtract and then divide? Yeah, see, a little bit of a problem right there. So then this one says the result is the same as dividing the difference between 195 and the number by 20. Okay, remember difference means subtract. So they're saying, hey, subtract it and then divide it by 20. So the correct answer was C. All right, so make sure that you took some notes over this, that you upload those into the Canvas assignment. And once you've done that, give me a heads up, send me a message and let me know, and I will assign the reassessment to you. It will appear in Canvas right below the videos. All right, hope you have a great day.